Students of Government High School Sharmanwala. Today I will discuss about you about the agro-based industries of India. Agro-based industries, as far agro-based industries are concerned, it, these industries are of six types. Number one, cotton textile industry. Number two, jute textile industry. Number three, woolen textile industry. And number three, four, silk textile industry. Five, synthetic textile industries. And number six, sugar textile industry. Sugar industry, sorry. Number one. Now today I will discuss. My focus will on focus is on focus will be on to discuss the Indian textile industry, Indian cotton textile industry. Rather, my dear students, Indian cotton textile industry is very ancient. This history is very starts from the olden time. And first, it is according to historical evidences. The first Indian cotton textile industry was set up during the British regime in 1854 in Mumbai. From that time onwards, this industry flourished by leaps and bounds, slowly and gradually with the passage of time. Nowadays, at our present time, there are 1.5 million workers, both skilled and unskilled category. They are working uh, in Indian cotton textile industry in various places, various cities. And these cotton textile cities, these are in 80 cotton 80 cotton textile cities are the centers of great centers of Indian cotton industry. The 1.5 million workers in working in the cotton textile, they constitute 20% of all workman force in India. 20% is a huge workman force. Now let us look at the states where cotton textile and states and cities where major cotton major states of cotton and textile cotton where cotton textile industries are functioning or working. In Gujarat, Rajkot, Surat, Ahmedabad, Porbandar, they are the famous centers of uh, cotton textile industry. In West Bengal, Howrah, Murshidabad, Hooghly, Silampur, they are the famous centers of cotton. In these cities, there are major cotton textile industries. In UP, Uttar Pradesh, that is called Uttar Pradesh in full form. Kanpur, Muradabad, Agra, Modinagar are the famous industrial cotton industrial centers. In Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, Ujjain, Indore, Dewas are the famous cotton industrial centers, cotton textile centers rather. In Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Chennai, Madurai are the famous cotton textiles industrial estates. In Maharashtra, Solapur, Mumbai, Wardha, Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Jalgaon are the famous industrial and cotton industrial states. And cotton industrial are these cities or those cities where cotton textile is manufactured. Now look at the trade of the cotton outside India. Cotton textile outside India. Look, as far India is concerned, it India it is a great industrial estate of cotton nowadays. India not only fulfills the needs of its own, but also exports cotton to foreign countries, cotton textile to foreign. India also exports cotton textile to foreign countries in the shape of ready-made ready-made garments. Indian ready-made garments are supplied exported to USA, United States of America, United Kingdom, Russia, France, Eastern European countries, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and African countries like Zimbabwe, uh, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, South Africa, Liberia, Mozambique, and so on. Today, that dear students, that was my topic today, uh, and the other lectures, I will I will describe, I will discuss about jute in textiles and woolen textiles, and followed by silk textiles and synthetic textiles and sugar industry in India, that are agro-based industries. My students, may God bless you. Thanks.